Hi, this is Leah from Imagine DIY and I'm back again with another video to show you how we made this really chic invitation. This one is pretty special. It just looks so professional, but it's actually really easy to make. If you visit our YouTube channel, you'll see there's a tutorial on how to achieve this lovely gold foil finish at home. It's not something you have to do, but it is a nice finishing touch. But today I'm just going to show you how we made the actual invitation. So we're going to start with a blank laser cut pocket. All the downloadable templates are available on the website along with all the sizes and dimensions you need to cut to. So we're starting with a gold glitter card, and I've just applied double-sided tape all around the outside of the card, of the back of the card. A high tack tape is perfect for glitter card, and we're just going to peel the edges off here. And that just leaves us with a double-sided tape. There. And then we're going to open up our laser cut invitation. And we're going to place the panel inside on the flat section, making sure the borders are nice and even, and then just press it into place. So then I've already stuck the printed invitation panel into place onto a piece of blush pink card. And we're going to do the same. We've just covered it with double-sided tape, peeling the backing off, and then we're going to layer that onto the gold glitter card. We're just going to place a section across the middle, making sure everything is nice and covered. And then we're just going to press it into place. Again, make sure the borders are nice and even. There. So now we're just going to stick the guest information card into the pocket. I don't know what I'm doing here. It's just getting stuck. There. It's not usually this difficult. It's just because I'm doing a video. Right. So now we've slotted it into the pocket. We slot in the additional information sheet. And then we're going to make the RSVP card. Again, we're just going to put double-sided tape on the back and stick that onto the gold glitter card. And again, all the sizes that you need to cut everything to, and the downloadable templates are available on our website. So it really is super easy to make. So we're just making sure the borders are nice and even, and then we're going to pop that in the pocket, close the invitation up, and then we're just making the front belly band. So again, we've got the 3 panels. We're just going to layer them up with double-sided tape. There. Again, making sure the borders are nice and even. So the middle layer goes onto the gold glitter card, and then the top printed panel goes on top of that. And with this invitation, you don't have to stick to the pink and gold. You can use literally whatever colour combination you want, or just use the principles to create something on a completely different invitation. So we're just taking some ribbon, gold ribbon, and we're just going to wrap it around the front of the card, and the overlapping edge we're just going to pass across to the front. Again, we're just going to use double-sided tape just to secure the ends together. There. And we're just going to press one end on top of the other end. Try and make sure that it's nice and even, so that they sit neatly on top of one another. And then just sort of pass the ribbon around so that the join sits underneath the panel. So we've just put a line of double-sided tape across the centre of the printed panel we've just created, and we're just pressing that into place on top of the ribbon, and your invitation is finished. So it really is that easy. Have a go yourself, use different combinations. Everything you need is available on imaginediy.co.uk. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and videos. Bye.